Welcome to Joystick, my friend. In this video, we are going to look into a problem that has been asked in interviews of companies like Amazon and D-Shop. The problem is print duplicate elements in an array. We'll write a Java program to solve this problem, and let me tell you that we won't use two loops to find the duplicates. Rather, we are going to use Java collections, using which we are going to accomplish it in one loop only. If you want to check out the Python program to solve this problem, then you can check out the video in the I button. Without further ado, let's begin writing the program. I am in my IntelliJ IDE, in which I am going to first create a Java class in this project that I have created. I am going to call it NodeOops. So let's create it. There you go, class created. I'll begin writing the program by creating the main function first, for which I am going to simply type psvm, and main function gets automatically created for me. The first thing that we are going to do within the main function is to declare and initialize an array in which we'll find the duplicate elements. It will be an integer array, so let's create it first. It will be int. Let's call this array arr, followed by an equals to sign. We'll write new int square brackets, and then within curly brackets we are going to insert the elements directly at the time of initialization. So let those elements be 2, 6, 3, 6, 1, 2. Okay, all right, I see that I have made a mistake over here. I should put square brackets over here. Next thing that we are going to do is we are going to create a list of integer type, which we are going to implement using array list. Then we are going to create a set of integer type, which we are going to implement using hash set. So let's do that first. So it will be list. So it will be of type integer. Let's call it li new array list. Okay, let's import the package. Now we are going to create a set s, which we are going to implement using hash set. So it will be set integer s equals to new hash set. That's it. List and set are interfaces which can be implemented using array list and hash set classes. Next, we are going to start a for loop on this array arr. So let's create one. It will be for int I equals to 0 semicolon I less than array dot length I plus plus. Alright, what we are going to do next is we'll start adding these elements of this array arr into this set s. So in the first iteration, or I should say after the first iteration, s will contain 2. After the second iteration, s will contain 6. And after the third iteration, s will contain 3. For the fourth element 6, what the algorithm is going to do, it's going to check in this set s if 6 is already present. 6 is already present over here. So it's an indication that 6 is a duplicate element. What the algorithm will do, it's going to add 6 to this list li. This list li is going to hold all the duplicate elements. And the algorithm is going to do this check for every element of this array. Since it's the first time that a duplicate element has been encountered, that's why I'm telling it to you now. So after this iteration, li will contain 6. Moving on to the next element, which is 1, it's going to first check if 1 is present in this set. It's not. So what the algorithm is going to do, it's going to add 1 to this set, and that's it. It's going to move to the next element. As the last element of this array, it's going to encounter 2. It's going to check if 2 is present in this set. Yes, it's there. This is an indication that 2 is also a duplicate. So what it's going to do, it's going to add 2 into this list. Okay, it's simple. You check if an element is present in the set. If it's not, then add it to the set, else add it to the list of duplicate elements. That's it. Let's write the code for it. So we'll first write if, and as its condition, we'll have to write the code to check if the array element belonging to this iteration is present in the set or not. We are going to use the contains function to accomplish this purpose. So it will be s, which is our set, contains, and within its brackets we are going to pass arr, within square brackets it will be I. That's it. So if the element is present in the set s, then we will have to add it to the list of duplicates, which is li. Hence we are going to write li dot add arr I. Okay, so if the array element is not present in the set s, then we'll have to add it to the set, and that code we are going to write in the else section of this if else. Okay, so it will be s dot add arr I. That's it. Logic complete. The final step will be to print the elements of this list of duplicate elements li. So we are going to use a for loop for that. So it will be for int, let's use the variable j this time. So it will be j equals to 0. J is less than li dot size j plus plus. Okay. And since we are interested in displaying all the duplicate elements next to each other with space in between, we are going to use system.out.print. Okay, and within its brackets we will write li.get, and within its brackets we are going to pass j, concatenation operator, within double quotes we are going to pass a space. That's it. The program is complete. The expected duplicate elements are 6 and 2. Let's run the program and check what result it gives. And there you go. This Java program has recognized 6 and 2 as the duplicate elements from this array. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning this program from Joey's Tech. I hope you coded this program along with me. Do subscribe to Joey's Tech if you don't want to miss out on such coding interview questions. I'll see you in the next video of Joey's Tech. Goodbye and take very good care of yourself.